If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Steampunk Pocket Watches. Number 1, Most Popular, by Carrie Hughes. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Csmarte. Number 3, by AMPM24. For more details about this great steampunk pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4, by Carrie Hughes. Number 5, by Treeweto. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Carrie Hughes. Number 7, by ALPS. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by SwitchMe. Number 9, by Zyder. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by SwitchMe.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.